Former police officer Cezar Mancao II has been appointed to the Department of Information and Communications Technology. He has been designated by President Duterte to head DICT's Cybercrime Investigation and Coordination Center. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque confirmed Mancao's appointment. Mancao served as head of the defunct Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Task Force for Luzon under the Estrada administration. He was among the suspects in the Dacer Corvito double murder case in 2000. Mancao belongs to the Philippine Military Academy's Sinagtala class of 1986. His classmates include Senator Ronald de la Rosa, AFP Chief General Gilbert Gapay, Camilo Cascolan, former PNP chiefs Archie Gamboa and Oscar Albayalde.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.